And a major milestone, the United States has announced that nearly half of its adult population has been fully vaccinated. In a statement, the White House said that the number of people inoculated in the United States was around only 1% when President Biden had assumed office.
Today, the United States will hit 50% of adult Americans fully vaccinated. That number was around 1% when the president took office, so that's certainly a significant development.
More than 500,000 Americans have died from the virus, but the country is now a world leader in rolling out vaccinations. The US has reached almost 50% of its total population of 332 million with at least one dose, but its vaccination campaign is slowing in the face of hesitancy. President Joe Biden has now set a target of having 70% of the adults vaccinated with at least one dose by 4th of July. Now, the current figure stands at almost 62%. Meanwhile, the United States has also called for a second phase of an international investigation for the origins of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Phase 2 of the COVID origin study must be launched with terms of reference that are transparent, science-based, and give international experts the independence to fully assess the source of the virus and the early days of the outbreak. As member states of the WHO, we need to come together and finish this fight against COVID, our greatest test. We need to fully implement and adhere to obligations under the international health regulations. We need to improve transparency, immediately share critical information about outbreaks with pandemic potential, and strengthen health systems to withstand shocks.
And after Pfizer, Moderna is all set to become the second vaccine to get the green light for use in children as young as 12. Moderna has claimed that its vaccine is safe and 100% effective on building an immune response in children after 2 doses. The company aims to be the next in line for approval after Pfizer, which was approved by the United States for kids earlier this month. Now, Moderna will be submitting its teen data on vaccine trials to the United States Food and Drug Administration as well as other global regulators in June. Over 3,700 children between the age groups of 12 and 17 participated in the trial, and the blood test showed that the vaccine produced an immune response that was equivalent to earlier findings in adults. The company has also reviewed that the vaccine worked well after just one dose, with the results suggesting that the vaccine was 93% effective after one dose at preventing mild cases of COVID-19. Proof of the vaccine's efficacy and safety for adolescents is helping school officials and other leaders as they plan for the fall season. The FDA has already expanded the emergency use authorization for Pfizer-BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine to include children between the ages 12 and 15. Both Pfizer and Moderna are currently testing their vaccines in younger children aged between 6 months to 11 years, since these age groups may require varying doses. Now, the process will likely take a little longer. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.